I'm begging you to stop thinking that Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe is whom you think he was.
To General Ojukwu, I wish he would have second thoughts and inscribe his name in contemporary world history as a brave soldier and a beloved leader, instead of disfiguring the pages of Nigerian history as another political impostor and petty tyrant.
Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, known as Zik of Africa, was a prominent Nigerian nationalist, politician, and statesman. Born on November 16, 1904 in Zungeru, northern Nigeria.
The world has been shocked that an enterprising people like the Igbo have been tongue-tied and emasculated, have allowed tyrants to blindfold and hoodwink them. More than 1.5 million children of their country had died of starvation and disease. It sickens me to see the advertisement of skeletal Biafran babies on the pages of newspapers and on the TV screens, begging for charity and relief. It hurts my pride as a human being.
Azikiwe played a significant role in Nigeria's struggle for independence and subsequent political development. These are some of his contributions to Nigerian politics. Azikiwe was one of the founding fathers of modern Nigeria, a key figure in nationalist movement against British colonial rule. He co-founded the National Council of Nigeria and Cameroon, a political party that advocated for self-government and independence. He served as the first president of the Nigerian Senate from 1960 to 1966. Azikiwe also served as the first indigenous governor general from 1960 to 1963. Later the ceremonial president from 1963 to 1966, following Nigeria's transition to a republic. Some people say that he doesn't have any contribution to Igbo nation. Now let me tell you some of his contributions. Azikiwe was a proud Igbo man who championed the rights and interests of Igbo nation within Nigeria's context. He used his political platform to advocate Igbo unity and advancement. As a journalist and editor, Azikiwe used his newspaper, including West African Pilots, to promote Igbo culture, language, and identity. He played a very significant role in shaping Igbo consciousness and pride. Now, his legacies. Azikiwe's most enduring legacy is his very huge role in Nigeria's independence. His leadership and activism contributed to Nigeria gaining independence from the British Council. October 1st, 1960, he advocated for national unity and the unity of Nigeria's diverse ethnic group into a cohesive nation. His vision for a united Nigeria laid the foundation for post-independence nation building. Azikiwe's commitment to education led to the establishment of several educational institutes, including the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, which is amongst one of Nigeria's first universities. He remains a symbol of Igbo pride and nationalism because of his contributions to Igbo culture, identity, and political representation. Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe's impact on Nigeria's politics and Igbo nation is very undeniable, and his legacy continues to inspire a lot of Nigerians and Africa at large.
Of former eastern Nigeria, that is Biafra, are safe and secure